Alright, this is the Fingerprint Padlock Digital Deadbolt from Zowill. You could unlock your door using either your fingerprints, little key combination code, or a simple key by itself. And this also has an auto locking feature, and it's also weatherproof. So this comes in different colors. I got the stainless steel one, I believe. So let's see what we have here in the box. So you have the instruction manual. You also have a little template here that helps you guide to make sure that you have the locations at the right spot, which is very nice. Usually these are pretty standard and it'll fit no matter what. So let's see. I guess we'll take this part out first. So inside the first box, you'll see it'll be the locking mechanism, the deadbolt part. There's a catch, and then here's some longer screws to make sure you get a good depth. And of course the keys. I'm not going to use these, so you can go ahead and Alright, next out of the box will be the rear padlock. As you can see, is a QR code to help you install. It gives you the guide. Here's the lock and unlock, and another lock on this side. Oh, okay. Ooh, you can feel the motor on that one. So inside here, you'll see the 4 AA batteries that you'll need to power this. Here's the top. This is where you'll adjust this against the door to make sure it's nice and flush. You'll put this metal plate first, and then you'll screw this in last. As you can see, this one here will connect to the other side. Overall, these are very fast to install. You just have to make sure what type of lock you have, if you have a deadbolt or stuff. So this metal bracket will go straight into here, and that will help unlock and lock. You'll have to feed this cord through the hole and plug it in to give it power to this lock here, where it'll light up and you can type in your code. You could do your thumbprint, pointer finger to unlock, push this to lock. As you can see, it is a stainless steel model. It's very pretty, right? All right. Again, this is from Zowill.